Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Apur Gupta. So in this video, I will cover what is 100 days of code, why to make public commitment while doing 100 days of code, some resources to help you in this challenge. I had put the timestamp in the description. So like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So let's get started. You might have experienced if you are new to programming or learning some new language, framework or writing program for a big project. You make plan, you try to follow your plan, you start doing preparation through various resources, tutorials and videos. You start learning it very enthusiastically in the beginning, but after a couple of days or months, you realize that you are not going anywhere. You are not making any progress and things are overwhelming for you. Well, you are not alone and it's happening with so many newbie programmers and even experienced ones. They try to learn to code and they try to cover various topics, but due to lack of consistency, grit and coding habit, things become messy and in the end, they thought we are not made for programming. हमसे तो programming नहीं होती. To cope up with this situation and to make coding habit, I have found a way. You had heard about 30 days of code, 60 days of code. I have bring 100 days of code for you. 100 days of code is a program or challenge in which you have to code for 100 days and make public commitment about it also. Let me tell you about the rules of this challenge. You have to code at least 2 hours for the next 100 days. Tweet your progress every day with 100 days of code hashtag. There are some additional rules also. If you code at work and the time you spend on doing quiz, learning tutorials, videos won't count toward the challenge. You have to push the code to GitHub every day so that anyone can see your progress. You have to update the log with these days progress and provide a link so that others can see your progress. You have to work on real projects so that you face real challenges. Now you will be thinking, why should I do public commitment? I really want to become a better developer or better version of myself. But I find that I always find other things to do rather than code. Nothing can beat self-directed effort towards learning or accomplishing something, but it is something that I value highly. But looking back to the past few months, I see a lot of good intention to sit down and code every evening, but also way too much of rationalization. This leads to me allowing my resistance take best of me. That's why I want to make sure that I commit to a challenge that will keep me accountable to anyone who follows or sees my updates. Sticking to something like this can be difficult, which you are probably felt already, be it trying to follow online courses or working your way through a curriculum that you have chosen. Making a public commitment has proven to improve people's ability to stick to changes and new habits. So let's do it together. While doing coding for the next 100 days, not every day is same. Sometimes you are filled with motivation and happy, and on the other day, you have not written much code and maybe you skipped some days. To keep you on the track of building coding habit for the next 100 days, I have some resources that will help you in this challenge. So let's open Google Chrome. There is an article on Geeks for Geeks. It is 100 days of code, a complete guide for beginners and experienced one. Secondly, there is a website about this challenge, 100daysofcode.com. This is the official website for this challenge. There is another article you can read on FreeCodeCamp. 100 days of code. One most important article which you will find helpful if you get stuck or upset is learning to code when it gets dark. It is a handful of useful mind tricks addressing your innermost fear. I had put all the links of the article in the description. I had started this challenge on 1st January 2021. So today is my 6th day of this challenge. You can track my progress or poke my repository. Let me show you. You can track my progress or poke my GitHub repository to know the rules or frequently asked questions and to track my progress of this challenge. So concluding this video, 100 days of code is about to form a coding habit for newbie programmers or even developers who find tough or to write program consistently. In this program, you can build the habit of coding by write any code in web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or in AI/ML, in Python, or in any language. So if you are a book reader or a person who likes to read book, I want to share a book about habit formation. It's Atomic Habit by James Clear. This book will tell you and guide you how you can achieve remarkable results by changing atomic habits. So if you have any doubt regarding this video, write down in the comment section, or you can follow me on social media like LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. So please like and share this video with your friends who are new to programming or facing such kind of issue. If you are new to this channel, hit subscribe button and hit the notification bell for such amazing content. Bye bye, I will see you in the next one.